The buzz around Tesla's potential leap into the aviation industry has been brewing for some time. But now, that buzz has turned into a reality. Elon Musk, the mastermind behind Tesla, has officially announced the company's first electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) helicopter. This revelation is not just another headline. It's a significant milestone that could reshape the future of urban transportation. Urban congestion is a growing problem, especially in major cities like New York, Shanghai, and London, where getting from point A to point B can be a nightmare. But what if we could bypass all that traffic and take to the skies? That's exactly what eVTOLs, or electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, aim to do. And with Tesla's track record of disrupting industries, this new helicopter could be a game changer. So, what exactly does this mean for the future of transportation? Is Tesla's latest innovation a true breakthrough, or just another electrifying exaggeration? Let's dive into the details and explore the potential impact of Tesla's first eVTOL helicopter. Tesla is no stranger to innovation. The company has already revolutionized the automotive industry with its electric cars, pushed the boundaries of renewable energy with its solar products, and even delved into space exploration through Musk's other venture, SpaceX. With each new project, Tesla has consistently challenged the status quo and proven that it's more than just a car company. It's a tech giant with a vision to transform the world. But now, Tesla is setting its sights on a new frontier: the skies. The eVTOL market, which stands for electric vertical takeoff and landing, is gaining momentum as the next big thing in transportation. These aircraft promise to make urban air mobility a reality, allowing people to bypass traffic and travel swiftly and efficiently across cities. eVTOLs are essentially a fusion of helicopter and drone technology. They take off and land vertically like helicopters, but are powered by electric motors, making them quieter, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. As urban populations continue to grow, the need for new transportation solutions becomes increasingly urgent, and eVTOLs could be the answer. The idea of Tesla entering the aviation market has been speculated for years. Adam Jonas, an analyst at Morgan Stanley, once predicted that the chances of Tesla offering products in the eVTOL market were too strong to ignore. His prediction has now materialized with the unveiling of Tesla's first eVTOL helicopter. Elon Musk's announcement sent shockwaves through the tech and aviation industries. The Tesla helicopter is not just a concept. It's a fully realized project that embodies Tesla's innovative spirit. The helicopter features cutting-edge design and state-of-the-art technology, staying true to Tesla's commitment to pushing boundaries. The Tesla eVTOL helicopter is designed to be both functional and stylish. It's equipped with the latest advancements in electric motor technology, which allows for efficient energy use and a quieter ride. The helicopter's design is sleek and aerodynamic, reducing drag and enhancing performance. Tesla's focus on sustainability is also evident, as the helicopter is powered entirely by electricity, making it a greener alternative to traditional helicopters. But what makes this helicopter truly revolutionary is its potential applications. Tesla envisions the eVTOL being used for a variety of purposes, including urban air mobility, emergency response, and patrol operations. Imagine a world where flying from one end of a city to another is as easy as hailing a taxi, or where emergency responders can reach critical locations in a fraction of the time. The Tesla helicopter could make these scenarios a reality. Tesla's entry into the eVTOL market could have far-reaching implications for the aviation industry. Urban mobility is a pressing issue, especially in densely populated cities. Traffic congestion not only causes frustration, but also contributes to environmental pollution. eVTOLs offer a solution by providing a new mode of transportation that can bypass crowded streets and reduce travel time. One of the most exciting aspects of eVTOLs is their potential to replace traditional helicopters. Helicopters have been the go-to solution for certain markets, such as emergency medical services, news broadcasting, and corporate travel. However, they come with their own set of challenges, including high operating costs, noise pollution, and environmental impact. The aging fleets of traditional helicopters are due for an upgrade, and eVTOLs could be the perfect replacement. These electric aircraft offer several advantages over their conventional counterparts. For one, they are much quieter, which is a significant benefit in urban environments where noise pollution is a concern. Additionally, eVTOLs are more environmentally friendly as they produce zero emissions, aligning with the global push towards sustainable transportation. Moreover, eVTOLs could revolutionize how people travel within cities. Instead of spending hours stuck in traffic, commuters could fly across town in minutes. This could lead to a significant shift in urban planning, with cities adapting to accommodate aerial transportation. The introduction of eVTOLs could also open up new market horizons, such as air taxis, which could become a common sight in the skies above major cities. The success of Tesla's eVTOL helicopter hinges on several technological advancements. One of the biggest challenges in electric aviation is achieving the necessary battery energy density to power these aircraft over long distances. Tesla has already made significant strides in battery technology with its electric cars, and similar innovations are being applied to the eVTOL. The eVTOL helicopter features cutting-edge electric motors that are both powerful and efficient. These motors provide the necessary thrust for vertical takeoff and landing while maximizing energy use. Additionally, the helicopter is designed with distributed thrust configurations, which offers several benefits, including shorter takeoff distances, reduced wing mass, and increased control and stability during flight. Another key factor in the success of electric aviation is the development of lightweight materials. Tesla's eVTOL uses advanced materials that are both strong and lightweight, reducing the overall weight of the aircraft and improving its performance. The use of structural electronics, where the bodywork of the aircraft also serves as a power source, is another innovative feature that enhances efficiency. Tesla's expertise in electric vehicles extends to the aviation sector, where the company's knowledge of power electronics plays a crucial role. The eVTOL helicopter is equipped with advanced power management systems that optimize energy use and ensure the aircraft operates at peak efficiency. This includes Tesla's innovative battery technology, which has been a game-changer in the automotive industry and is now set to revolutionize aviation. Despite the excitement surrounding Tesla's eVTOL helicopter, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed before these aircraft become a common sight in the skies. One of the biggest hurdles is the endurance of eVTOLs. Currently, electric aircraft face limitations in flight time and distance, which could hinder their widespread adoption. Another challenge is the regulatory environment. Aviation is a heavily regulated industry, and introducing new types of aircraft, especially those that operate in urban environments, will require significant changes to existing regulations. Safety is a top priority, and regulators will need to ensure that eVTOLs meet stringent safety standards before they can be approved for public use. However, Tesla has several strategic advantages that could help it overcome these challenges. The company's global charging network, for example, provides a robust infrastructure for recharging eVTOLs, which could be a key factor in their success. Additionally, Tesla's advancements in power electronics and battery technology position it as a leader in the electric aviation sector. Looking to the future, Elon Musk envisions a world where pure electric aircraft with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities are a common mode of transportation. These aircraft could potentially achieve supersonic speeds at high altitudes, making long-distance travel faster and more efficient. However, Musk emphasizes that the success of such aircraft depends on achieving level flight, as the equipment designed for vertical takeoff isn't suitable for high-speed flying. While there are ongoing developments in small electric aircraft with rotating thrusters, Musk believes that the focus should remain on electric automobiles, solar energy, and stationary energy storage. Nonetheless, companies like Tesla, aerospace, and others are making significant progress in electric aviation, and the future looks promising. Tesla's first eVTOL helicopter represents a significant step forward in the evolution of urban transportation and aviation. This groundbreaking innovation has the potential to revolutionize how we travel, offering a glimpse into a future where flying across cities is as routine as driving across town. The impact of Tesla's eVTOL on the aviation industry could be profound, from replacing traditional helicopters with more sustainable and efficient alternatives to transforming urban mobility and reducing traffic congestion. However, challenges remain, particularly in terms of endurance, safety, and regulatory approval. Nevertheless, Tesla's technological innovations and strategic advantages position the company as a leader in the electric aviation sector. With Elon Musk's visionary outlook and Tesla's track record of success, the future of eVTOLs looks bright. As we stand on the brink of a new era in transportation, one thing is clear. Tesla's eVTOL helicopter is not just another electrifying exaggeration. It's a glimpse into the future of aviation. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a tech aficionado, or simply someone curious about the future of transportation, this is a development you'll want to keep an eye on. So, what do you think about Tesla's latest innovation? Are you excited about the potential of eVTOLs to transform urban mobility? Let us know your thoughts, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on Tesla's groundbreaking advancements.